Air Conditioning Control Module. The main function of the module is to integrate the fan coil unit. First, let's look at the structure. On the top is the wiring port for the air conditioner's controlling wire. The three interfaces on the left are for controlling the air conditioner's mode. The three interfaces on the right are for controlling the air conditioner's fan speed. The COM interface is for connecting the common wire. In the middle are the air conditioning control buttons, which control the mode and wind speed. On the lower right corner is the Buspro bus interface. On the lower left corner is the interface for 0 to 10 volt wind speed control and the temperature probe. Next, I will show you how to connect the temperature probe. Just need to connect the white, yellow, and red wires to the ports of the module correspondingly. Now, let's complete the wiring. Connect the bus wires to the colored terminals and plug them into the bus interface. Then wire for the interface. The way of wiring is basically the same as wiring of the air conditioner's thermostat panel. The thermostat is connected to high, medium, and low wind speed, as well as the cooling and heating modes. Be sure that the connection is correct. Complete the corresponding connection for the cooling and heating modes, as well as the high, medium, and low wind speeds. Connect the controlling wire, and then connect the common wire. Typically, use the live wire as the common wire and connect it to the COM interface. COM1 and COM2 can be interconnected. The wiring of an air conditioning module is now complete.